Do, 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 do. You see this? It snowed this morning a little bit again. And the only place you could tell is places that were really frozen, like in the shade and windshields and stuff like that. And you can see here where it sort of drifted into the crevices. And here you can still see in the shade a little bit here. Little teeny tiny snowflakes. Powder. Come on, Jack. Hurry, Mr. Dude. Time to go in. Time to go in. He says, I gotta pee one more time. Come on, hurry up. Beep, beep. Squeak. Squeak. Oh, the roof was really dripping this morning. We're raining in the greenhouse. That's from the propane. Okay. There we go. Do we still have propane? Oh yeah, we have enough for a night. One more night at least. Let's get this guy open. Crash. My finger out of the way, yeah. See if we can make this come back to life. I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we see. I'm hoping it'll start sprouting sprouts soon. I might put a heat mat under it. We'll see. We'll see. Covering these keeps them a lot moister. Moister. Tap these guys up. Okay. Everybody else looks happy. This guy looks a little dry on top, but he's got wet in the bottom. Give him just a teeny bit on top. What do you think, Jack? I think those, keep my fingers get out of the way. I think those lettuce have come back really well. Really well. I did not expect that at all. Lots and lots and lots of things to eat in here. Yes, I know. I know. You're very impatient. Very impatient. He says, the roof's leaking on me, Mom. I don't like it when the roof leaks on me. Let's see if we can make it really leak. Let's see if we can make it rain. That's always fun. He says, no, it's not. It rained on me. Come on, Mr. Dude. It is already 30 degrees. Woo! Getting warm. Getting warm. Here we go. Ooh. You gonna come with me, Jack? You gonna come with me? I know Mom was moving everything around over there the other day. Hey, you coming? Let's go. You can stay in the yard if you want. I don't care. I think Jack is gonna chill in the yard. And that's just fine. Here the fans are on. Gotta get things opened up. Ooh, noisy. Yeah, that fan always shuts off right away if you leave that door open. That's open.
A few moments later.
Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to keep the cart standing up straight so we can get these 2 bales onto it.
Oh, okay.
That's all.
Oh, okay. Let me get the stakes out over there. Yep, of course you are. So, it's got a straight shot down here, everything from the side of the house over to here.
Okay.
And it is recording.
It's on cinematic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can stand either one of these up.
Okay.
Maybe.
It is chilly today. There's just like real. I mean, the temperature's not that bad. It's 46. Adjust the tire.
No, I have to take the tire off.
Right, the tire.
No, it's either 2. No, it's not good.
Straight pulled out a weed in the process. That's funny. The last 2 mornings, there have been at least 2 mice in here every morning. So, I guess it's working for sure. That's good. Maybe these are the mice that tend to get into the car engines and make a mess.